How to fill out Chase money order. So today we will be talking about filling out a specific check that we have from Chase money order form. So in here, I've got this sample from Google. So this is the most convenient way for you to be able, or for me to be able to explain to you thoroughly on what you need to fill out in these fields right here. So number one, we actually have pay to the order of. So this is actually where you will be sending the money to. So here you can go ahead and input the specific account number of where the money should arrive or where you would be paying it to. You could also add name on that. Now on number two is going to be your name, your full name, and on number three is going to be your full address. Now take note, before you fill out this form, make sure that under the pay field, which is going to be the figures of the amount that you will be paying should be correct because this is not changeable and this is not going to be editable. So this is going to be fixed. So make sure that you have the correct amount before filling out all these forms from here. So lastly, number four is the memo. This is just an additional information on what is the payment is all about. For example, this is for rent. This is for paying for a loan or something like that. And that's it. That's basically how you fill out Chase money order.